In today's era of remote work, learning the ins and outs of Slack has become pretty critical to your job, especially something small like setting your Slack status to out of office, because you shouldn't be bothered when you're away for extended periods of time. So in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get that done. And why don't we jump right in? Setting your Slack status to out of office or even something completely custom like a dentist's appointment is actually pretty straightforward to do. And these instructions are going to be the same regardless if you're on the free or paid plan or prefer using the mobile or desktop app. What you're going to do is once you're logged in and on the correct workspace, you're going to head to your profile and you're going to click on it. From there, you'll see the option to update your status. And once you click on it, there are free presets that you can select from, including in a meeting, out sick, vacationing. But if you want something like out of office, like I mentioned before, you can just start typing in, and then you have the option to completely customize it, including the little emoji that appears for your status. So I'm just going to look up office and put the office building. Then you can choose when to remove the status and if you want to pause notifications. So I'm going to remove the status in 1 hour and I'm going to click on save and it's done. As an added measure, you can also choose to set yourself as away, and if you didn't pause notifications, you can choose to pause them now for the duration of your choosing. Once you're done, and if you come back early from your appointment or if you want to clear status right away, you can just click on clear status and set yourself as active and you'll return to the status we had previously. Now, while these steps were easy to follow and shouldn't pose any problems, there's still one key thing you need to do every time, and that's remembering to update your status before taking off. Sure, you can set yourself up some reminders or log in after the fact to change your status, but I think an easier approach is just to automate the process so that when you do take off on vacation or you're sick or any other out of office scenario, it automatically updates on your behalf. And that's where a tool like Vacation Tracker comes into play. Vacation Tracker is the ultimate leave management tool that just handles everything, whether you want more visibility into who's away or you just want to keep track of how much time off a person has. With its native Slack integration, that means that when someone does take off and goes out of office, whether it's for an appointment or a vacation, you can choose to have it automatically update in Slack with the same level of customization we saw before, i.e. the emoji and the text that appears when they do take off. So now that concern of having to remember every time to change your status when you're away, whether it's for an appointment or just on vacation, is essentially wiped away, because when you make the request with Vacation Tracker, not only will your managers approve it, but it will also appear in Slack on your behalf. And now you're one step closer to mastering Slack. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. If you did find it helpful, we would really appreciate if you can like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, as it lets us know what types of content you want to see from this channel moving forward. If you also want to learn how to set your out of office for either Gmail or Outlook, don't you worry, because we have video tutorials on those as well. And you can watch them by clicking on the links here or here. That's going to be all for me for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.